You know that one friend that literally just leaves for months and months and months and months without an explanation, then shows back up and is like, hi, and pretends like nothing happened? That's me. That's me. Hi. Sorry. Get ready with me. I think my busy arc for the year is done. You guys know I work, so it's hard for me to always get content creation done. I'm also super picky, and then sometimes I just go through the, is this actually worth it, and should I be actually doing this? So sometimes I just disappear, but today I am here. I am getting ready to go to the hair salon, so I really shouldn't put my hair in curlers, but you know, whatever. I want to put my best face forward. So I'm going to try out a bunch of new products. Some that I bought myself, some that were very nicely gifted to me. None of this is actually paid for. So yeah, you don't have to take my advice on any of this stuff. That's part of the reason why I haven't been filming, because I just feel like people, it's a me problem. Anyway, Garnier sent their micellar water that's like vitamin C, which I'm like, I don't know why my makeup remover needs to have vitamin C in it. I like to use it to clean up my brows before I put any product in it. And for brows, I'm super excited because I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills, what is this called? Arch brow pencils. I saw a lot of videos on it and it looked really good. You guys notice how I'm like way more moisturized? I've been going on like a moisturization journey. Anyway, the arch brow pencil, like you can make really nice thin strokes. Those aren't even thin. I made those thicker. But where's my mirror? Oh. Hold on. That you can make like super realistic hair strokes with. You have to make sure your skin is dry, otherwise it doesn't show up. I'm not very good at making like the very thin pencil strokes. Oh, well, I guess I am right here in the beginning. Unfortunately, I think I found out how to make my under eyes not be as problematic. Unfortunately, it's a very expensive routine. Like, wow, is it expensive? And it's only like, the only reason I can afford it is because half the products were sent to me for free. So I was like, I don't really want to share it because I feel like it's just not, you know what I mean? But then also like, I feel like it's made my eyes so good that I want to share it, but then I don't want to share it. That's part of the reason where I'm like, what am I doing with this like influencing? Should I even do half of the stuff, right? Because the economy is the economy, you know, it's not good out there. So like I should tone it back down, but then I don't want to gatekeep anything. But then again, I don't want people to get mad at me. Lots of thoughts. I've been watching a lot of makeup tutorials by Rose and how she like, you know, how she does like add a little purple to fix your foundation shade. Will that work for me? I added purple to my foundation to see if it'll blend. Oh, did that work? Oh my god, did that work? Wait. Oh my god, I think that worked. I'm gonna do it again. So here is my foundation that I would regularly just blend in and put on. Take a little bit of purple and add it on top. And now I'm going to mix it in. Oh my god, did that just neutralize the color? Okay, I'm pretty happy. Guys, my texture's been so much better too. Like, oh my god. Anyway, Makeup Forever had this new launch. For bronzer, I think I want to use this Artist Liquid Color from Makeup Forever. So these are supposed to be liquid. You can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your face, you can use it on your lips. I've been using it on my lips. I have not used it on my face, so we're gonna do it together and see what happens. I'm gonna put it a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm also gonna do like super light layers. I have very bright camera lighting, so I have to do so much more for it to show up on here. But then when I go somewhere, right, and I look in natural lighting, I'm like, oh, wow, that looks not so good. So if it doesn't show up as much, I am sorry. But I have to be out today and I just want a little dimension. Literally, just dimension. I'm very scared to put on my jawline because when I put it on my jawline, like on camera, it will look good. And then I'll be like, I'll see myself from a Rogue camera in the wild. Not so good. Not so cute. I need a little bit on my nose. ColourPop sent over the new strawberry collection and it has these blushes that I'm sorry I can't open. Okay. Oh, cute. It's got a little heart on the top. This is the Weightless Liquid Blush in Like a Doll. Don't know if it's gonna be like a soft pink or a crazy pink. So it's literally like fluorescent pink. Yeah, there you go. I think you can see it there. Oh, okay. It's like super light though. It blends in super lightly. Oh, okay. She blends in very pretty. I think we can layer on a little bit more of her. Oh, might have got a little UK, but I will just powder enough so it doesn't look crazy. Kofi Beauty has this new mist. It's called the Killy Glow Mist. I Love this. I have been using this for like, I don't know, whenever they sent it to me, I've been using it literally every day, twice a day. I've just been using it in my skincare. So this is the first time I'm using it on top of makeup. Let's see how it is. It's nice on the skin. I'm surprised that there hasn't been like a new powder launch because it's the summer. Or I just haven't been receiving any new powders, or I haven't really seen any new powders that have caught my eye. But if you guys know any powders that you're like, you need to get this, please let me know. When I said the strawberry collection from ColourPop, I lied. I meant the Pink Dreams. I haven't tried this on my eyes yet, but I have swatched it, and there's this one shade in here. It's called It's Pinktastic. It's a matte shade, but it's got glitter to it. It's kind of like when you put like the diamond powder highlighter on top, or like the Urban Decay Space Cowboy on top, but this is like a mixture of it. I think that's such a pretty formula. Makeup Forever just had a lot of launches or something, so they also sent me these pencils. The Aqua Resist Eye Color Pencils. This is the shade Deep Cranberry. I feel like that's gonna look really good on top of this pink. Believe it or not, I don't like getting a lot of attention when I go outside. So yeah, I don't want to go crazy, but also I want to have fun doing my makeup. I saw these lashes on TikTok. It looked really good on the person in the video. I don't know what they're gonna look like on me. Also, I can't open them, but let's try it out. They're called the Ivy Poppy May, and they're already pre-glued, so they should save me time. Please look good on me. Oh, they're easy to stick on, at least. Okay, nope, I take that back. Nope. She's not sticking. Oh, nope, she did stick. Oh, she's kind of cute. That's, yeah, like, okay, that's one lash. Okay, the front one's not going on. Okay, that's a cute daily lash, right? Not too crazy for the daytime, but just a little lash. Okay. You know how people say like you need to put your blush out here and lift the face and lift the face? I feel like sometimes like it can make your face lifted but like bigger this way. So I'm trying to put my like powder blush, like I'm trying to put it here instead so that it doesn't look as broad, if that makes sense. I did not mean to do such a girly looking makeup today. I was gonna actually try to look like a little cool. Some things can't be helped. My go-to lip combo for like the last few weeks has been the Lussie Staining Lip Liner from Kulfi Beauties. I'm back into this shape again. I like to bring it in on the edges and leaving the middle parts blank. And then this is another shade of like the Makeup Forever Liquid Artist things. I like to put this on the center of the lip and pat it in. You have to give it a few seconds because it's gonna dry down matte. I want like a lighter glow, so I'm gonna do a mixture of the Hourglass. Like, come on. I stopped doing powder glow for a little bit because my skin texture just looked so horrible. Like, it just looked worse. But I've got my skincare, like, more under control now. So I feel like the glow shows up as a glow. And okay, finishing it off with the Kulfi Beauty Glow Mist. Yeah. Now, because I'm going outside, I'm going to finish it with the One Size Until Dawn, the SPF 28. Oh, we're still not done. Last step, YSL sent me their candy glazes. If I don't say it enough, I am very grateful for this job. You know, sometimes I don't even make that much money or like really any money on it, even though people think I do. I really don't, surprisingly, but I get a lot of free product and like, that's kind of cool. I mean, money would be nice, but the products are nice too. Anyway, before you go, I'm gonna let you see what the rollers look like because I think I finally got it. Okay, it kind of is doing what I wanted it to do. Okay, that did not do what I wanted. Okay, well, we were 90% successful until that last one came out, and now I look like this. But it's okay because I'm going to go get my hair done anyway, and she will fix it. So, see y'all later. Bye!